right, cool. See ya. I'll tell you when to stop. All right. We're done.
1 in the afternoon in the Arizona sun. The heat is unforgiving, but the atmosphere inside this vehicle is even more intense. This is the exact moment when everything is about to change for this driver.
Hi.
Deputy Maggio, Maricopa County Sheriff's Office. The reason I pulled you over, you're speeding.
Sorry.
You have your driver's license, registration insurance? Why is he out of the carrier?
Because I changed his diaper.
Why in the world is that infant not in his carrier?
It is honestly frustrating to see her use her own child as a shield. Claiming she was just changing a diaper is a low move to hide the fact that the baby is in danger. She is trying to play the part of a caring mother, but the reality is much worse.
There is absolutely 0.0 excuse for that. Roll down that other window. Where are you coming from right now? How much you had to drink today? How much marijuana you smoked today? You've had nothing? Okay. So, are you lying to me? Are you sure?
I'm gonna let you know right now that right there is child endangerment. Especially driving the way you're driving. Jesus Christ.
Facial insurance. You have the registration? In your trunk?
Because this is my boyfriend's car, we just renewed the title.
181, 96, 23. That's right, Andreanna.
Okay, you just have a seat back in the car.
Actually, better idea. Come over here and properly restrain your child.
I apologize.
She can barely walk. Is the AC on in the car? Okay. Let's put your child in the car seat, please. How old is he?
7.
What was your first name again? Andreanna. Would you mind doing some tests to see if you're okay to drive? Because your mannerisms and the way you're kind of moving about, it seems like you're a little impaired by something. Your speech is a little slow. I asked a question. I'm just explaining it to you. Will you do a couple of tests to see if you're okay to drive? Is that a yes? Just stand with your feet together and your hands down at your side. Don't lean on your car. Make sure you're away from it, okay? Do you wear glasses or contacts or anything? Okay. Do you know what Nystagmus is? Okay, so you probably don't have rusty Nystagmus. Do you have any recent head injuries, car accidents, anything lately? Nothing, no issues with your eyes that you know of?
Is my close the window for the baby?
No, I'm not closing the window. I want to be able to hear the baby, and then I don't want the car to get locked.
Yeah, the air's running, so the baby should be fine. Baby's secured now? Can you see the tip of my pen right here? Right here where my finger is? I want you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand? Say again.
This eye test is the moment of truth. It is frustrating to watch her act sober when the signs are impossible to hide. Her eyes are shaking, and she cannot control it. No matter the excuse, The body does not lie.
It's gonna go up now. Just follow it up, okay? One more. This one's gonna be a little weird, but just follow it, okay? With your eyes and your eyes only. I know. One more time. Have you had any alcohol to drink today? Now's the time to be honest. Any drugs?
No.
You've had nothing? Okay. Sit tight then.
You ever used one of these before? Just blow into it, so I'll tell you to stop. Take a deep breath.
What are the I'm from California. Are we supposed to? I've never seen that.
The excuses are endless. First, the child, now where she is from. It is frustrating to watch her throw everything at the wall just to avoid the truth. She is officially out of options.
Is that something that you guys usually do?
Do you want to do this? Yeah, we usually do it. Take a deep breath, like this.
Blow into the balloon.
Blow.
Blow, blow,
Blow. Okay, blow. Like you're blowing up a balloon. Okay? Like, can you do that? Do it for me. Like. Alright, cool. See it. I'll tell you when to stop. Alright. We're done.
Go ahead and turn around.
Turn around, face the car.
Don't be.
You're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
Driving under the influence. Hang on.
We'll figure that out.
Stand up. Don't play this crap.
Sounds fun.
Let's go. Put your shoe on.
Go put your shoe on.
Put your shoe on. Yeah, I don't have that thing.
Show one in custody. Aggravated DUI. You said that child is 7 months old?
Come on.
Alright.
Then walk like an adult. Then walk like an adult. It's easy. Now go in there and sit down. We're gonna have some adult questions we gotta ask you. Scoot over.
Hey, big guy. Here, I'm gonna get you.
I'll take it.
That's alright. I got it. We got to figure out somebody to come. Put your arm through. Come here, big guy.
Little bugger.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, little guy.
Hi, bud.
Hi.
Hi. Get the car seat out.
Standing.
It was standing in the car seat.
I got the new guys working on it. Find some family. Come get this child.
Come here, big guy.
You're going to find her.
There we go. Sit back. Sit back. Sit back. Hi. Hi, Bubba. Any idea where she's coming? Hi. Hi.
Maybe. Yeah, baby, I don't think you're standing in the back. Okay. Little beers in there. Pacifico, sunscreens, other car keys. Yeah, one closed one.
And it's coming up to about feed time. So
Yeah, she might need a.
we have the formula bag and everything, so I could probably whip up a bottle. I asked already if it was.
Should he be bottle fed?
He's bottle fed formula, so we can do that.
Are we gonna take baby to 500? Yeah. Okay. Grandma's on her way. She works in this space.
Okay.
She's on the way.
Thank God.
I gave her
I did not want to hand the baby to DCS.
No,
we
still need to call them.
Yeah,
100%.
Andreanna Fager is now facing the full weight of the Arizona legal system. Facing an aggravated felony for driving under the influence with a child is a life-changing event. There is no room for excuses when you choose to put a 7-month-old baby in a car filled with alcohol and narcotics. This was not a mistake. It was a series of dangerous choices. But in the middle of this chaos, we saw something remarkable. The deputies from the Maricopa County Sheriff office showed us the true meaning of their badge. They went from making a high-tension arrest to gently preparing a bottle of formula for an innocent child. They stepped up to be the caretakers that this baby desperately needed at that moment. It is a powerful contrast between total negligence and professional compassion. This case is a sober reminder that our actions have consequences far beyond ourselves. How do you feel we can better protect children from these dangerous situations on the road? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We are building a community here dedicated to transparency and the truth behind the thin blue line. If you value this type of deep dive into the reality of law enforcement, make sure to subscribe and join us. Stay safe out there, stay vigilant, and we will see you in the next case.